The industries we rely on are asset-intensive: critical infrastructure, utilities, and resources. They're made up of networks, thousands of individual connections, working together to keep it all moving. But there's a problem. The flow of information between these connections is broken. Information silos, slow processes, and outdated methods stall information, stopping those who create engineering drawings and those who use them from accessing the information they need, resulting in delays, downtime, and putting lives at risk. But what if this chaos could be tamed? What if collaboration wasn't just a buzzword, but a tangible reality? What if we could trust our engineering information was accurate and connected, bridging gaps and fostering a culture of efficiency? What if this was possible through a hub? A place where engineering drawings are not hoarded but democratized. A hub that connects to your existing systems so that vital knowledge is easily discoverable and accessible to all. Anywhere, nurturing an open environment where safety is never compromised. It's not a distant possibility. It's a digital transformation, and it's here.